Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily save, or better say export a video in CapCut. So what you want to do is when you're going to be in CapCut, you want to go to the top right and click on upload or like export. Top right, export, and you're going to have like frame rate, then you can have like a resolution here that you can change. My recommendation is go on the highest and then just click here export, completely up to you. And the lower resolution that you're gonna have, the lower file size is gonna have. So if you want to send it to your friend, you can go with the lowest resolution because the upload size will be much lower. Click export, and then what you have to do is just wait until it's going to get exported. But what I'm going to do, I will just delete a few things so you can see like this. Yep, and now I will just have like this, and now it's going to much faster because I had like 4 minute song in my video. And right now just wait until it's going to be, and now you can share it on TikTok, WhatsApp, other, or just like click done. And oppa, now I go to my gallery. Look at this meme. And now I will just play it. See? And this is pretty much it how we can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in comments. And this is how you can easily save or like export the video. So yeah, thank you and goodbye.